It's an interesting industry because if you're successful in everything you do, nothing happens. Any large type of structure needs to be regularly inspected for corrosion and kind of cracks that develop inside of the material. So the problem today is that they have to send workers up on ropes and scaffolding to collect this data. Most drones today, they're only doing things like visual inspection with cameras. That only assesses surface layers of corrosion. The same way a doctor uses ultrasound to see inside humans, inspectors use ultrasound to see how corrosion is developing inside of the metal. However, drones today are too unstable and too imprecise to precisely place the sensor onto these structures. What we've done is we've reinvented the drone to gain the stability necessary to perform these types of inspections. Whereas most drones, they fly by tilting the entire body to move in the direction that they want to go, our drone flies by only tilting the actual rotors, so the center frame can actually remain perfectly stable while flying. So that way we can achieve the high degree of precision necessary to perform this type of work. Our drone can actually contact the structure with a sensor to find deformities and cracks and corrosion happening inside of the metal. So inspectors using our system can not only perform these inspections much faster, but much safer because they can stay on the ground. We did have market demand prior to COVID. We had a lot of customers asking us for a solution like this. Think of things like refineries, ships, buildings, offshore wind turbines, bridges. Inspection robotics has always been an interest for these industrial sites because of the safety and cost efficiency that it brings. However, those two factors have never been more important than they are right now, with things like the oil crash happening, as well as the efforts to reduce worker time on site. We are seeing large influx in demand, and we are trying to fill out the demand as much as possible. We got right into Hackset right in the perfect time for the company, where a lot of the basic research behind the control systems has been done, as well as the business, and we just needed a lot of help executing. So we needed to rapidly prototype and iterate our technology with the Shenzhen ecosystem to get to something that we could reliably put in front of customers so that we could start demonstrating and start trialing it with them in the field. We were able to go from a really, really scrappy, it flew prototype to something that we could actually reliably put into the field to go and trial this. Hackset has been great. They've been introducing us to a lot of investors. We're raising our first venture round to expand the team so that we can process all of our customer requests. We're seeing a lot of progress with our fundraise, and I definitely see us closing in the near future.